All right, guys, 2019 Ford Mustang GT50 convertible. So let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory cats there and there. And then he brought a used catback system from Corsa that he bought off Facebook Marketplace. Every car guy's favorite place to shop. Right there, as you can see. There's a crack in it right there. I'm going to have my guys weld it. You see that? Anyways, let me continue and then we'll come back to that. So we went ahead and welded it up for him, put it in. And this one's made for the regular, not the convertible. So we had to cut the midsection out and there was resonators added on it, 2 vibrant resonators. We cut the midsection out there and there, as you guys can see, and had to do 2.5 because of the subframe for the convertible. Will not make the 3-inch fit. They weren't fitting at all. They weren't clearing at all. We took all these bolts out and everything, and it still wasn't clearing. So we made 2 sections of 2.5 to make it fit, as you guys can see, to clear everything. And then we have 2 Corsa mufflers out the back. It's a Corsa Xtreme catback system. And we put him some new tips on it. He wanted single tips. He didn't want quad tips. So that's what we did. There it is. Ford Mustang GT. And there's the 2 pieces we were talking about that we cut off. We had to cut off right there to make it fit. All right. We had to replace those. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Here we go. 2019 Ford Mustang with a custom Corsa Xtreme system with vibrant resonators in the middle. Go ahead. Idle. Right at 84. Get a gas. See all the dirt? Ah, that's a first. Do it again. What the hell? Bunch of dirt again. It's still spitting it out. So he bought it off of a guy, and the guy wrecked his car. So apparently he ran it into a ditch or something and filled up a bunch of dirt in the exhaust. Again. I guess it's all out. That works. Again. Right at 112. All right, go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we're located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You know how you guys saw this change? Now they're going to build something next door to us. And it's going to change again. And they're building over there and it's going to change again. The streets never stay still in Tennessee. Yeah, that sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Ford Mustang GT50 convertible with a custom Corsa catback kit that we had to custom make fit with double helix. That's clean. Enjoy, guys.